Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix no service or SIM card in iPhone, which means if you have put your SIM card physically in your iPhone but you see that it is showing no SIM card or no service. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply turn off your connection, which means you have to turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to turn it on again, turn off again, so that your connection can be restarted. And after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply physically remove your SIM. After that you can clean your SIM and you have to put it again so that it can be activated. So if the problem is still there, you can simply set up mobile service. For this you have to simply click on mobile service, and after that you have to click on set up mobile service, and your eSIM will be used as your SIM. But if you want to use a physical SIM, then what you have to do, you have to check whether your SIM ports are working properly or not, which means you have to change the SIM and transfer it to the port again. And you can simply shuffle the SIM also, so that if the problem is in the SIM, moreover you can also change the SIM. If the problem is still there, what can you do is you can simply go to the Safari and open a new tab, and you can simply look for the Apple Support, what kind of solution they will provide you. And after that they will help you in a better way, so that you can simply solve that error of no SIM card or SIM service. If you have already inserted the SIM but it is showing no SIM or service. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.